Hello and welcome to Regrow Tech India. I'm your host Dryrun, bringing to you yet another episode on the Java Beginners Interview series. We have been doing tons and tons of pattern programming. So before I start with this one, I'd like to show you a little bit about patterns in pattern, right? So basically, you'll find three very popular, patterns whenever you look for patterns created by the nested for loops, right? And in each of them, there is a certain kind of code that happens with minor changes here and there. I just want to discuss that first before we get on with the next question. So let us go on the whiteboard and have an understanding of what kind of logic will be applied with what kind of triangulation tools. So here we are. By the way, this one's the pattern that we have to be working on right now, but I want to explain a few things first. So the triangles could be of two types. One, you could have something like this: one, one, two, one, two, three, one, two, three, four, one, two, three, four, five. This is one triangle. And the other one would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. This is another triangle. There are others, of course, but I want to discuss the pattern that you will find in the for loop when it comes to this kind of loop. By the way, this one here is similar to, I'm sorry, not this one. This one here is similar to what you're going to do here. Okay. So what really happens is that in each of these patterns, you'll see there's some sort of pattern using the I and J loop. So, for example, here, if we want to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then the J loop will run from 1 to 1. So, basically 1 to I. Then here also 1 to I, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. So, J loop is going to be run from 1 till I. But I loop will run from 1 to 5 in addition, like in increasing order. But in this kind of pattern, we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then the J will run from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it starts from 5. And you see that again the J loop will run from 1 till I, whatever is I. The only difference is that the I loop, in the first kind of pattern, we have the I loop working from 1 to 5. In this pattern, the I loop will work from 5 to 1. That is the difference in decreasing order. Okay, why are we doing that? 5 to 1, if we want to do the J from 1 till I will be 5 first, then I will be 4, then I will be 3, then I will be 2, I will be 2. And we'll get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in that. In the first case, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I was running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. J will go up till whatever is the I. If you remember this pattern, we are going to go. Now, here for this particular program, forget about what is written inside it. But if you think about it, the loop will work the exact same way that I just told you here. Meaning, the I loop will go 1, 2, 3, 4 till 4. And the J loop will go if see I is 1, J is going up till 1. I is 2, J is going up till 2. I is 3, J is going up till 3. I is 4, J is also going up till, right? So here also the same thing you can see, I will go from 1 to 4 and J will go from 1 to whatever is the I. Right? If you remember this, then we can create, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 according to a certain other logic. But first, let us create our pattern like this. So what we will do is we will go on the Eclipse board and we can write the code here. What happened? There. So we said I will be equals, I'm sorry, int n will be equals to 4. Then we want a for loop for int I equals 1, I less than equals n, and I plus plus. And mind you, we said for this particular pattern that we need, we want the I to go in the ascending order from 1 to 4. So that is why we are doing I to 4. Okay. Then next we have for int I equals, I'm sorry, j equals 1, j less than equals I, j plus plus. Okay. System.out.print, and it's not ln, just print. I want to print for now, I want to print j. We will change this later on. And here I also want a new line. Save it, test it. Oops, what did I do? I will go from 1 till I. That should be fine. Okay, what are we getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me see. So I loop, which is here, it ends here. J loop also ends here. Okay, cool. So I will go from 1 till less than equals to n, I plus plus. J will go from 1 till I. Oh, I see. There is a typographical error. Okay, just give me 1 second. Okay, so because of that typo, it went to the ditch. So let me change this to J. Oh my God. Okay, let's run it. And we have 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the only thing is what we want here is something like this. We want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. So we basically want to keep the count up, whatever is the counter. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basically, if you think about just the numbers, forget about the triangle. If you just think about the numbers, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so for that, what we can do is we can simply take a variable for counter. Say int c equals 1. Okay, and here instead of j, just print c and say that c plus plus. So first it will be 1, 1 will be printed, then it will be 2, 2 will be printed, 3, 3 will be printed, and so on. Let's save this and test it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is what we wanted. Okay. Now, I hope you have understood the logic as to how these two triangles turn up if we just change the I loop, right? So if we want from 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, then we will run the I loop normally from 1 till n. If we want 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 like that, then we will run the I loop from n till 1 in the decreasing order. So we'll do I minus minus. That is the only thing to be remembered here. Other than that, we also have to do the dry run. So let's go ahead. I do not want to copy the entire code. So here we are. Okay. So first of all, we will have int n is equals to 4. So n will be 4. Next, c is equals to 1. C will be 1. Next, I will be equals to 1. I will be equals to 1. And the condition will be true only because I is less than equals to n. 1 is less than equals to 4. The condition is true. 1 and 4, right? I plus plus we will do later on. So condition is true, it will go inside and it will work on the J loop. So J is going from 1 till I. So right now J is 1. It wants us to print C. So right now output will be C. C is 1, so 1 will be printed. And then C++. So C will become 2. Next time, we will have to do J++ because this is the end of the J loop. Of course, it will go here to increment. So J++ 2. Condition, let's check. J less than equals to I. So J is 2, I is 1. 2 is less than equals to 1? No, it is not. The condition has become false. Meaning, it will come out of the for loop of J and it will stay print or whatever is the next statement that it will execute that. So system.out.println, it will print a new line. So the blinker would come to a new line. Next, this is the curly bracket for the I loop. So of course, it will go here, it will do I++. So 1 will become 2. I should have made better lines. And since I did not do that, let me change colors. I has now become 2. Again, the condition will be checked. I less than equals to n. So 2 is less than equals to 4. I and n was 4. So of course it will go inside. Again, j is equals to 1. So again we will start with j as 1. J less than equals to I. 1 is less than 2. Yes, we are happy. Then we'll go inside. We'll print system.out.println C. So right now C was 2. If you see the last value of C, 2 will be printed. Next, C++ will happen. So 2 will become 3. Next, it will do J++ again. So J++ 2. Again, check the condition. J less than equals to I. J is 2. I is 2. Meaning the condition is true. It will go inside. It will print C again. So there is no new line yet. It will print C value, which is 3 now here. Then again, it will do C++. 2 will become 3 will become 4. And then again it will go here and do J++. So J जो कि 2 था, it will now become 3 and it will check the condition. J is less than equals to I. So right now J is 3 and I is 2. So J is neither less than nor equals to 2. Meaning condition false. It will fall through, it will come to this statement system.out.println, it will print a new line. And then since it will come here, it will go back to I++. So I is 2 now, it will become 3. Okay. Once it will become 3, we will have, what will we have? Yes, the condition. So I less than equals to n. N is 4. So 3 is less than 4. We are happy, we are happy. So again, we will have 1. J will go from 1 till I. So J will go from 1 till I. 2, 3. Until 3 it is supposed to go up. At 4 the condition will stop, right? So for each of these 3 values, C value will be printed. So first 4 will be printed, then 4 would have become 5, then 5 would have been printed, then 5 would have become 6, 6 was supposed to be printed, and that's that, right? And in that manner only it will print for the next line also. I hope that the dry run is understood. It is quite the long one, so I'm not explaining the entire thing. But from what I have explained, I'm really hoping you would have understood it. Other than that, if you have any more queries, you can always post them on the comments. I will see you on the next episode. Have a great day ahead.